The instant data scraper is a program which you can use to scrape data in the browser for and create some CSV table, for example. So, for example, let's just imagine you have like this Google page with, or let's say we want to look for like list of famous actors, something like that. And sometimes you get a list. Yeah, perfect. Okay. We have a list now. So in this case, we want to use the extension instant data scraper to get all of those people inside of the CSV file, right? To make it easy and handy. So we can just here add to my browser, and you see it's a lot of your users. It's you can also pin here, pin or unpin. I always pin because it's quite usable. Doesn't support data extension from this side because I clicked it. But if I click it here, please wait, and you will see it kind of finds the table, and then it scraping all the data already. It has scraped all, and in this case you can see here, try another table, locate next button or infinite scrolling. I think in this case it's infinite scroll because you can scroll here very to the bottom, and there's no next button or something. So in this case you can start crawling with some kind of delay. So in this case, 5 to 10 seconds. I would also say, okay, if you do Amazon, maybe do a little bit more because they have some kind of security regulation. So you might get a like a timeout if you try to do it too fast. So you see, it's scrolling. So it has collected, but it has only collected the 75 rows for some. Ah, okay, because I think the table is stop crawling. Ah, no. Ah, okay. Look here, it has collected 175 rows, so I was wrong. Now you can download. So this is the actors, and yeah, for example, OnlyOffice is some kind of excellent alternative. I've made a video about this, a quite powerful tool. So what kind of a delimiter was that? Was it comma? Um, yeah, okay. I think it's not right like this, but or is it even? Ah, I think it is. It's only here. This text is too big, right? So we can maybe wrap text. Ah, no, it's not here. So, but in general, you see the point. We have all the data, and yeah, that's basically it about instant data scraper. You can scrape anything you want. You can scrape Amazon. You can scrape Google search result. Search result. So let's just do this. You can scrape here as well if you want, and then see all of the results in one table. So be creative, do whatever you think of. It's not automatable. That is not. You have to use it as a UI, but it's a very powerful tool. I've used it multiple times. So yeah, try for yourself, and we will see in next video. Bye.